Hello everyone, so how you can customize DEP, data execution and prevention. Okay, so this is a new feature in Windows 11. So how you can do that? Okay, so let's go to Windows settings. Okay, click on start bar and click on settings, and now click on system and slide down at the last, click on about, and here you can see advanced system settings. Click on it, and now you can see here we have settings option, performance, visual effect, process scheduling and memory uses, and virtual memory. So click on performance settings. Okay, now you can see here the data execution prevention. Okay, turn on DEP, essential for Word, Windows, program and service only. Okay, turn on DEP for all program and service. Expect I select from here. Okay, so if I turn on this data execution prevention, DEP has helps protect against damage from virus and other security threats. So you can understand that it very prevent from damage data and other security threat and virus threat. Okay, so if I select this, it will apply for all services and programs and apply and okay. If you accept to expect some add, you can add other programs here. Okay, and apply and okay. So that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.